There are a number of questions that come up when we're talking about the threaded seal for the EarthMinded EarthMark product line. And there are actually two threaded seals that are available. The first one will match this image, which is the Rain Station product. The Rain Station product does have a different style and size of threaded seal. So that's what one of these threaded seals is designed to go into. It is a different diameter. The other seal is designed for the DIY kits. So this standard 1 1/4 inch diameter hole that you'll drill, and make sure that there's no burrs around the edge of the opening so that the threaded seal can sit flat. So if your product is more like this one, the 55-gallon drum or something like it, then you want to make sure that you order just the plain threaded seal. That way you're going to get the one that's going to fit the 1 1/4 inch hole that you're going to drill into your product. And again, the Rain Station threaded seal, your product must look exactly like this Rain Station rain barrel for the Rain Station threaded seal. Hopefully that clears up some confusion that happens on which one of the threaded seals do I need, the Earth Station rain barrel threaded seal or the DIY threaded seal.